Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make baby corn fry. Baby corn is available in all markets with cover and without cover. Depending upon our preference, we can get. Baby corn has several health benefits. With baby corn we can make lot of recipes. This is one of the recipe amongst it. So come, let's go into the video and see how to make a crispy baby corn fry. 10 pieces of baby corn, 1 packet. So take a kadai, pour half a liter of water, heat it, add salt. So when water boils, add all the baby corns, keep it for 5 minutes. Then off the flame, strain the water. Now boiled baby corns are ready. In a bowl, take 1.5 spoon of besan flour called kadalamavu, 1 spoon of corn flour, little turmeric, little asafoetida, one tablespoon of chili powder. Add little water, mix it nicely, and the consistency should be like this. Now slowly add all the cooked baby corn, mix it nicely, close it with lid, and store it in fridge or just in a room temperature for 1 hour. So I have marinated. So now after 1 hour it has coated nicely. So in a kadai, pour oil, drop slowly one by one baby corns, all coated baby corns. Deep fry it using the rice ladle, and then you can take it out from oil. Now a crispy baby corn fry is ready. Sure, all kids would like it. If you don't want to prepare masala like this, you can, a lot of ready-made masalas are available like Shakti, Achi, like that. You can take that also. This is a tasty, crispy baby corn fry. Please try and comment, subscribe. See, if you want to make like a lollipop, you just take a stick, insert it on down part, and you get a crispy baby corn lollipop fry, as I have shown in the video. This is an easy recipe which you can prepare in 15 minutes. See, this is a crispy baby corn lollipop. Hope you had enjoyed the video.